Tell me this isn't absolutely beautiful. Hey guys, so I was thinking what video should I do next, and we've all seen the Coach bags, the vintage Coach bags popping off on TikTok. So I thought, how hard is it to get these vintage bags? So I did a little shopping. We're gonna find out, are they expensive, how easy they are to get, and just are they cute? Like, what kind of bags could I get? I gave myself a budget and I think I went slightly over. I'm not sure how much I spent, to be honest. I kind of just got my check and spent it, so I probably spent like 500 bucks, but I did get a lot of bags. Let's see what bags we've got. We're gonna start with the small bags because I think, or should we start with the big bags? We're gonna start with the big bags. I'm looking for vintage brands. I'm talking Dooney and Burke, which my cousin put me onto. I had no idea it was like a vintage cool girl brand from the early 2000s. We've got mainly Coach and Dooney and Burke bags because I found that those were the most affordable and the cutest ones. Okay, so let's start with Dooney and Burke. My favorite bag. I found this bag, it was so pretty and it does give that early 2000s vibe, and this bag was, I think, 40 bucks. I'll put the prices on the screen. So first we have this one. This one is super cute, and I just started my first big girl corporate job, so this is so cute. It has like a bunch of pockets and it's super cute and honestly really good condition. I personally think this bag is fire, and a bag like this would usually cost around like 300 bucks, and I think I got this bag for like 40 bucks, so definitely a freaking steal. All right, next I got this bag. This is a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but I did think this was really cool. So I got this bag, which if you can see, it's so beautiful. Look at this, really, like, this is hardware, this is metal. Like, this is so cute and expensive looking. Like, come on. I do wish this was a bit longer so I could actually wear it. I do have thick arms. So this is the bag. I do wish, because I do have chunky arms, but it's pretty cute. It does have this really nice enclosure here, and you could fit like your lip gloss or whatever in there. And then once you unzip it, again, super spacious. It has this really cute tiny pocket for like your lip gloss, and yeah, I really like this one. And I think this bag was like, if I'm not mistaken, like 30 or something. You guys are gonna gag at this one because I was gagged. When I saw the price for this one, I was so gagged. The thing about these are, if you look through them on the app, you need to be fast with your purchases because these go super duper fast. The girlies are on it. So there's the apps I shop mostly, where I found most of the goods. A lot of people say Depop. So there's Depop, Mercari, Poshmark, and eBay. I had the most luck on Mercari. Depop, it's a little bit expensive. That's where you're gonna find more so like the Coach, like the super early 2000s, like $200, $300 bags. But if you want really good deals, search on Mercari, because I got most of these bags I got from Mercari and some of them from eBay. So boom,
it's beautiful.
Tell me this isn't absolutely beautiful. Look at this little heart detail. Like, tell me this isn't so freaking cute. And it says Dooney and Burke all over it with stars, and it has this little shiny thing, which you can take it off. I think it's like a little sticker. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the little zipper, it's rainbow. It's so freaking cute. This was one of my favorite bags. Like, look how cute it looks on. Like, look how freaking cute. Like, what are we talking about? This is my favorite bag. I got this one on Mercari. I think it was 35 bucks. And when I saw it, I was shook. This is so fire. That's it for the big bags. Now let's get into the small bags. Okay, guys, I accidentally missed one.
Oops.
Drum roll. Look at this bag. I've already worn this one. As you can see, I literally even have like my pink LABUBU on it. It's so freaking cute. It's from the vintage Poppy collection from Coach. I think this one cost me like 30 bucks and it's so fire. Like, it literally has like the Coach, little Coach detailing. I don't know if you can see that right there. And it has this little flap. It has glitter all over it and it says Poppy. Look at these little freaking hearts. As you can see, it has like my perfume in there already, but yeah, this is so freaking cute. And then on the back, it has like the little Poppy Coach logo with a little tag on it in silver. It's so cute. I'm usually a gold girl, but when it comes to bags, I love silver. And for the inside, oh, it has this little like cute little zipper that says Coach on it. For the inside, again, I should have probably taken the stuff out of the bag to show you guys, but sorry, my bag is a freaking mess. The inside is like a light baby pink. I don't know if you could see that. And then the zipper on the inside is like pink. This bag is so freaking fire. Like, all right, now we're actually gonna move on to the small bags. Look at this beauty. Again, yellow, but so cute for summer. I've noticed, like, as I get older, shoes and bags, a pop of color is so freaking fire. And it has the beautiful like pink metallic heart for the logo. Like, this is so freaking cute. And it also has like the little zipper, the rainbow zipper right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And once you open it up, I just got this one in the mail a couple days ago, so I haven't actually gotten a chance to open it, but the inside is like a blue color. It's actually so freaking cute. And these bags are so high quality. Like, as you can see, these bags have lasted so long. Genuinely, they don't make bags like they used to. Now, staying on the Dooney and Burke side of things, I did get this really cute small little shoulder bag action. I don't know if you guys can see. Look how freaking cute that is. Like, bro, what? And it has a little Dooney and Burke symbol. It's so cute and simple. This one does have a little stain on the back. Again, these are used in vintage. I think this one was like $15. So $15 for this is a steal. Like, these are so freaking cute. It even has like the metal Dooney and Burke like logo on it, so it's super cute. The inside, the inside is like a really cute red. This is simple. It goes really well with like the little cute outfits, and I really like this one. Okay, next we're moving on to Coach. This is gonna be the Coach section, and I don't know if you're Coach girlies. I'm a freaking Coach girlies. I love Coach bags. I am obsessed. They are expensive, but the Coach outlet always comes in clutch. Look at this beauty. Like, they just don't make them like this anymore, bro. Look at this freaking ombre, and it's like it goes into like a hot like purple pink color. It's so freaking cute. As you can see, I put my freaking LABUBU on it. Like, bro, it's so cute. The inside is like a silk hot pink color, and it does have the little Coach tag right here. Like, these are so fire. I had to do a little bit of DIYing with this bag. So what I had to do is, on this side, it does have a little opening, and this has no clip for this side. So I did have to take a keychain and put it on the inside and then stick it, pull it out through the top in order to have like this little part to stick it onto. I'll show you guys what I mean. Like, in the inside, I have my Brazil keychain that I got from Brazil, and I just pulled it to the top so that it can be like an actual bag. Okay, this one is next. I got this one because, again, I wear a lot of brown. Like in New York, everyone wears a lot of dark colors, and this one is like metallic-y and like super pretty. I haven't really seen like a bag like this. It has like these really cute like brown sparkles on it, and this like brownish Coach tag right here, and they just don't make them like these anymore. I think I had to do the same thing with this bag. Let me see on the inside. Yes, I had to do the same thing with this bag. I have my Cancun oh, I don't know if you can see it. I have like my Cancun bear in there keychain, and I just pulled it through this side to make it into a shoulder bag because it was a wristlet at first. But bro, this is so freaking cute, and that's the hack. You have to be creative because there are so many cute wristlets, and I was like, I'm not missing out on these, so I had to like figure it out. But bro, this is fire. Next is this one. Now, some of you might not like this one, but I feel like this is so classy. Like, bro, look at the inside. It has a lot of space. Like, this can fit my phone, my cards, my lip gloss, like my keys. It can fit so much in here, and it's just like a subtle, just like gray color. I think it's really cute. I haven't seen a bag like this from Coach in a long time, so again, I have my freaking Labubu on it, and I think it's super cute. Again, it does have the gray Coach tag, and I don't know if you guys can tell. If you look up close, it's like a sparkly material. So again, this might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I personally love it. Keeping with the sparkly theme, we have this one. Oh my goodness. Like, can we just get a moment of silence for this beautiful bag? This is so freaking pretty. Like, come on. I do have my little otter that I got from Korea. Isn't it so freaking cute? I thought this would like match really well because it has the little, like the same colors kind of. And I don't know if you can see, but when you look close, some of the Coach symbols have like these little beads on them. You can kind of see, and it's just super freaking cute. And it has like this metal like closure, and it's like a magnet. Oh, I haven't opened this one before. The inside is like this really beautiful, what would this be, like a peach color? This really cute peach, like pinky color. And again, it's so freaking pretty. I think this one costs like, I think 25 bucks. Like, bro, 25 bucks for this. This is so freaking pretty. And the great thing about these is that no one's gonna have them. These are bags that you can keep for so long, and people are gonna compliment you on them, and no one has them. It's like so crazy. Okay, last but not least, my favorite bag. Oh my gosh, you guys are not freaking ready for this. You're not ready. Look how freaking cute, bro. I saw this and I almost lost my freaking mind. I had to buy it instantly because it was so pretty. I think this one was a little bit more on the expensive side. I'm gonna show you guys the details. This is so Y2K. Like, this is so Hannah Montana. Like, you can't tell me it's not. So we have this little Coach poppy tag, and it has like a heart on it, and it's just so freaking pretty. Like, I don't know if you can see that. And then it has like this silver Coach poppy, and you can feel it. It's like textured. And then it has like these 3D, like, I don't know if you can see it, it's like right there. These, it's like sewed on and embroidered. Like, some of these are flat and a part of like the fabric, but then these are gonna be like sewed on. And then it says Coach here, and I think like right here, and the same on the back. It is so freaking pretty. And then this is gonna be sparkly, and it's the same material as this part. And the inside is pretty basic. It's just like a satin, just like cream color, and it doesn't have any like that many pockets, but it's so cute, and it's pretty big actually, and it could like fit my phone, my keys, my lip gloss, everything you need, to be honest. And of course I have my freaking Labubu on it. It's just, it goes together. Cute. Let me know which ones you guys like, because I know everyone's style is different. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the damage. Again, all of these for 500 bucks. I think it might be less than that actually, like I think maybe like $300 for all of these. Like, come on, that's a freaking steal. So as you can see, I went a little crazy. If you guys want me to have some more like vintage bag finds or maybe go thrifting, I've never been thrifting before, let me know. I'm having so much fun making these videos for you guys. It's actually crazy. And yeah, so love you guys. Bye.